Currently, the value of an avalanche slope is 13.3900 per coin or 13.3400 per coin. The previous day's close was 13,3900, and the change was 0.0000.00. US dollars to leave the country decreased by 0.0000.00. Price forecast for the Avalanche slide for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. The price of an Avalanche slide is anticipated to begin at 13.02 in July 2023 and rise to its maximum level in 2027. 15.55 rent. The average for the month is 12.22. 16.91 least cost. The average for the month is 12.41.14.20 for Avalanche slide cost projections for the following months, and 13.85.1.7 for the month of August 2023. Starting cost at 13.85, maximum price 13.85, least cost. This month's average is 11.89. The cost of an Avalanche fall for the month is 13.09, and the change for September is 12.78. The most expensive 7.7x to US dollars estimate for October 2023 was $12.78. 12.78 least expenditure. The average monthly expenditure is $9.99. 11.57 Avalanche slide incurred expenses for estimate at the end of the month 74 cents per dollar. The October alteration in November 2023, the costliest Avalanche collapse is anticipated to cost $10.74. Least expensive, 11.9 cents. This month's average is $9.63. The cost of an Avalanche slide is estimated to be 10.46 over the next few months and 10.36 for November. 3.5% of AX to US dollar forecasts for December 2023 at 10.36 greatest cost. The monthly average cost of a loan was $11.51. Priced at $10.76 and $8.68, respectively. This month's average was $10.76. 9.88 Avalanche slide cost number for the upcoming months and 9.33 change for January. 13.3 Avax to US dollars forecasts for February 2024, beginning cost of 9.33, highest cost 11.58, lowest cost $9.33. What is the monthly norm? Avalanche slide cost estimate for the next few months is $10.27. With a change of 10.82 cents for February. 16.0 Avalanche slide cost estimate for WOC 2024 ranges between $8.45 and 10.82 cents. What is the monthly norm? 9.80 Avalanche slide cost estimate for the upcoming months and $9.09 change for the spring. 16.0 Avax to US dollars estimates for April 2024 prior to any other factors. Cost at 9.09, highest cost. The least costly item, costing $9.90, was $7.11. Avalanche slide cost average for the month is $8.23. With 7.64 pennies change for April. 16% Avalanche slide cost expectation for May 2024 prior to any other cost at 7.64, highest cost $9.16 pennies, cheapest price $7.64. Avax to United States dollars expectations for June 2024 in the first place cost at $8.56, highest cost $8.56, lowest cost $7.15. The average for the month is $8.25. 7.99 Avalanche slide cost estimate for the upcoming months, 7.69 change for June, and 7.69 highest cost Avalanche slide estimate for July 2024 before all costs at 10.2%. 7.69. The monthly rent was increased by $6.01. 6.96 Avalanche slide cost estimate for the next few months and 6.46 change for July. 16% United States dollars to Avax conversion scale equal to 0.0747 Avalanche slides per $1. The current reach 0.0730. 0.0750. The early days. Near 0.0747 change, for now 0.000 United States dollars to Avax expectations for July 2023 beginning price at 0.077 Avalanche slide cost. By the end of the month, Avax estimate must be between 0.08 and 0.064 of the month's average 0.074 US dollars. Avalanche slides highest cost at least 0.059, the average for the month of 0.081 0.071 US dollars to Avax estimate for the month's nadir price. 0.072 change for August 1.4 US dollars to reduce forecasts for September 2023's first and primary price to 0.072 Avalanche slides greatest price 0.084 or less than 0.072 the monthly average. At the end of the month, 0.077 US dollars was added to Avax gauge. 0.078 change for September 8.3% dollar to Avalanche slide gauge for October 2023 in the first place cost at 0.078 Avalanche slides greatest cost 0.100 least 0.078 the average for the month and 0.087 the United States dollars to Avax estimate toward the months and 0.093 change for October. 19.2 United States dollars to Avax expectations for November 2023 in the first place cost at 0.093. Bitcoin, BTC, falls back below $30,000, but if these correlations hold, it should go up. Re-emerge. Bitcoin, BTC, the digital currency that runs the world's largest decentralized cryptographically secure network, fell about 1.5% on Tuesday to around $29,700. Earlier in the day, it briefly hit new one-month lows around $29,500. The cryptocurrency has been losing steam since it hit a new yearly high near $31,800 last week. At the time, it was helped by 1. Wall Street heavyweights filing for spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and 2. A U.S. judge's ruling on XRP that markets saw as crypto bullish. In its most recent drop, BTC has fallen about 2.5% below its 21-day moving average. If the cryptocurrency loses support in the mid-$29,000 range between late June and early July, it is likely to drop to support in the mid-$28,000 range.